falling in love now, losing control now, fighting the truth, trying to hide, but I think it's alright, girl. Yeah, I think it's alright, girl. She's falling in love now, losing control now, fighting the truth, trying to hide, but I think it's alright, girl.
Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of J Vlogs. Today is Wednesday, the 22nd. If I'm correct, you guys can correct me. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Welcome to my, long-lasting gingerbread and jelly bean. That's you guys been here for a while supporting me. Now today is the 22nd again. The 28th marked the day when YouTube actually cut off like probably thousands, hundreds of thousands of small YouTubers from making money. And when I say making money, I'm like talking about $2 to $3 or $5 a month, based on the little advertisement that they get. Because we're small YouTubers, we don't get a lot of money from YouTube compared to the big YouTubers who get in range of like 500 to $1,000 per month. They make good money off the advertisement and the crowd and views and shares and stuff that they have. YouTube is basically a platform where you share your content, where you create content. You create content like this, whether it be help videos or anything like that. You know what YouTube is. You use YouTube for research. You YouTube for relaxation, for leisure. So it's a good platform. It is not perfect, and here I am on it. Doing what I like, helping people, giving people advice. And in return I'll make a few dollars, and I'm in that $5 to $13 range per month. It fluctuates depending on how much videos I put out and how many views I get. No, that has been cut off. We got a 1 month notice in January, and it is pretty much 30 days, and I didn't get 1,000 subscribers, which I knew I wasn't going to reach that 1,000 subscribers. However, I've made it past the 800 subscriber threshold. So basically I'm not too far away. Like I need like 180, or I need 192 more, because I'm at 808 now. Thinking off my head based on the one person that subscribed today, and thanks for that subscription. I really appreciate it. And what I realized with my gingerbread and jelly bean, you guys subscribe and you guys stay around, you guys view, you guys comment. Not all the time, but you guys do stay around, and I do appreciate that. And I really like that. So apart from me being busy with work, whenever I have work, I will make videos, and I have one more video coming up, but this is like a vloggy type of video. As you can see, I'm outside, it's winter, but as you can see, I'm relaxing in my shirt and thing like that. It's not snowing or anything, so I'm going to just pan around so you guys can see. This is it. So basically, yes, so it's winter still, but sometimes the sun come out and shine and keep the place warm and stuff like that. So it's not really cold. It's cool. It's cool right now. When the sun goes down, then it's going to get a little colder. And then I see it's scheduled to rain someplace. I don't know if they're really talking about here, because there's no cloud cover. So I don't know where the rain is coming from there. So it was sunny out today. It was much warmer, and yeah, they almost killed the bird and the squirrels. So it's much warmer now, and it's really nice outside. So that's why I'm sitting outside right now making this video instead of being in the room. Yes. So one more thing that I want to address is basically the comments that I get on my channels. 99% of the comments are very positive and helpful and uplifting. People are really appreciative. People are thankful. People like what I do. It's not perfect. It's far from perfect, but people really appreciate what I do and the advice I give them. and then they use that advice, in their day-to-day life and help them to make decisions and stuff. When I make videos on YouTube, I try to give accurate information. I try my best based on the knowledge that I have and the research that I've done to give you as much accurate information as possible, because I do keep up with my country. I do watch the news. I do all those stuff. I keep informed. I like to watch the news. The news is just a thing that I love. I love information. So I always keep up with the news and ensure that I watch it every day. And I'm talking about news in my home country as well. Now, somebody commented on my video that I did about my country, Jamaica, and giving information about my country, Jamaica, stating that I'm talking foolishness and I need to do over my video. No, the person has left the comment. I don't know if they're trolling or whatever it is, but they don't give detail to what type of foolishness I'm doing. Hello. So they don't leave any information or anything like that. They don't correct me. They don't, say, hey, Mark, this is wrong or that part of it is wrong. They just make a blank statement. And it pisses me off so much, because I do listen to comments. It is important. In order for you to learn, you don't know it all. I don't know it all. So when people correct me, I do take their advice and I do look into it. It is important for us to understand that we have to take critique. Critique is very important. Whether it be positive or negative, we can use that to make ourselves better. We can use that to make whatever we're doing better. I can use it to make my vlogs better. So whether it be positive or whatever it is, I do take it. So when somebody does leave a blank statement like that, it pisses me off to the max, where I'm like, why the hell you comment if you're not going to explain yourself to help me not do the foolishness again? You see what I'm saying? It doesn't add up, and it gets under my skin to the point where I'm like, these people are just trolling. And I'm just going to give them the Black Panther. I'm going to add that to my vocabulary. Anytime I see the trolls, them come on my thing there, on my channel. So all of you never watch Black Panther. When you watch Black Panther, you'll know what that hoo is for. And yeah, so any troll, no matter your complexion or whatever, you're going to get that. But I'm doing alright. I'm still here making YouTube video. I just want to give you guys that update and let you guys know what is going on. So thanks very much the support. Thanks very much the comments, the feedbacks, the likes, the share, whatever it is. I really appreciate you guys, and it's just fun when I help people. When people ask me questions, I can help them and stuff like that. Even today, somebody asked me on my video where they should stay in Jamaica for vacation, because they've been searching, so she's been searching for 3 days. Which one I vacation hope to stay in Jamaica? I'm like, I can't choose for you. You have to choose yourself. So my best advice was to, pick 3 destination and go one. Oh God, the cat just capture a bird. Nature, that's just life. It's sad though, because the bird in the dead, it's alive, so I'm gonna eat the live bird. Just animals, that's what they do. It's a jungle out there, people, literally. It is a jungle out there. You slip, you get your leg cut off. But yeah. So if you're visiting Jamaica, you go one destination for your first visit, you can always come back. So that's more reasons to come back. You just can't go one destination and say, alright then, so on the next vacation you go to the next side of the country and the next one, and just keep coming, and just enjoy yourself, or go back to the same destination if you want, or explore. So so I just wanted to share that. I just want to say I'm really grateful and I appreciate each and every one of you. And it is good when I get the support, and it helps. It go both ways. So I'll continue to put out more videos. I'm going to put out one more video about calling Jamaica, not really calling Jamaica, but the communication infrastructure where cell phone is concerned, and I'm going to touch into internet providers, mobile mobile, data provider, stuff like that. Because people been asking me, because they say they hear that certain areas in Jamaica, there's no internet connection and stuff like that. So I need to go in depth. I need to give details. I need to make a video about that so people can be informed on the information on the information that is there now and the upgrades and stuff that is taking place in Jamaica. So I'm going to work on that video today. I'm going to gather the information, put the video together and then post it. So when people go to Jamaica, if they stay for an extended period of time, they can take their own cell phone and make calls and stuff like that, which they can do already, but a lot of people don't know that. So, I have to tell them. So I have to tell them and let them know what is what about the country. And then for the trolls, you guys can come and tell me that it's foolishness again. I'll be waiting for you, Miss Lady. Thanks for watching J Vlogs. This is Mark. I'm out, guys. Catch you on the flip side.